Good freaking morning, guys. This is Hubert, and you're watching UB Flex. Well, we have completed our bulk. So we're gonna go in a mini cut. I don't know how many months is going to be because we are waiting at 80 kgs. So I'm thinking that maybe we'll go down to 16, 5, something like that. Definitely for the past 50 days, to put out around 7 kgs of the weight. Definitely, I personally think maybe I put on some fat. That was not my main goal, but can't expect to put on muscle when I'm so we are at 80 right now. So let's try to get it at least still 70 or 69 is what I was thinking. A slow, deliberate kind of deprivation of food. Definitely, that is what going to happen. Sounds cynical, but it's very funny that I'm going to do the cut again because I just got back from the cut and I'm going to do a cut again. So kind of very weird on that. So we will be sticking. I won't go to the extremes like I did for the 1500 cal. Maybe I'll stick to the 2000 calories routine, but add a cardio mainly, which I haven't done in the bulking phase. And I really don't regret it. It saved me a lot of time. So anyways, today will be the day one of it. I'm not going to put a cut series or something. I'm just going to be on my maintenance, adding a little bit more calories here. Make sure that we have a weight loss because there is a plateau obviously when you're on the cut. You have to increase the calories to get the weight reduced. So let's see how it goes. We're gonna with some chest today. Let's start with some, I don't know, maybe an incline bench, a dumbbell bench press instead of a barbell. Let's go get that shit done. Alright, let's get some incline bench press. Let's go for a fucking set 2. Alright, I guess it's been a while since I hit the 40 kilo dumbbells. Not sure, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get some Pec Decks. Let's lower the weight. Let's go with some flat bench, man. Alright, let's do some flat bench press. Not sure this will be the weight for the second set, but yeah. This is going to be a fucking failure set. Let's get some incline cables, flies. Slightly lower the weight. This is some freaking decline bench. What a set. Alright, anyways, one final vast workout. We're gonna hit some chest dips for failure set. Maybe at the max 10 reps is what I can assure myself. But yeah. Fuck. Ooh, not even 10. I just lose by fucking solid 7. Anyways, let's go do a quick fucking pump check. Alright, let's do a freaking quick chest pump check. Alright, I guess we'll wrap this workout. See you guys next weekend workout, man. Peace.